What's good, Swanzy gang? You know, my name is Swanzy, back for another video, you feel me? We got us a little special guest today, but as you saw by the thumbnail and the title, which is not me in the thumbnail, that's my brother, which y'all gonna see him in a minute, you feel me? I'm two-strand twisting his hair. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all how to two-strand twist short hair. This is regular hair, bro. This isn't no dreads, no locks, nothing. This is just regular hair. He got a little fro, you feel me? So I'm like, bro, you might as well just two-strand it. He's like, I don't know how to do it. I'm like, get up the right gun. So I'm about to do his hair, you feel me? Y'all gonna see him in the next clip, but I ain't gonna make this intro way too long because I'm gonna show y'all how to do one side, show y'all the half. Y'all know how I do mine. I show y'all one part, the half, other part, then the other half, and I show y'all the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna get up out of here. So I don't wanna make the video way too long. I wanna just get it over with. Not really get it over with, but I don't, bro, y'all got stuff to do. Y'all too old to be on the phone every single night for no reason. So I'm gonna get y'all in and get y'all out, you feel me? Yeah, make sure you like, comment if you're new, subscribe. Y'all want me to do more videos with my brother, whatever y'all want me to do. If y'all want me to do videos with him, like pranks with him, which will go on my other channel, my Swanzy channel, link in the description. Or just hair videos, I got y'all for sure. But make sure you stay tuned and let's get straight into it. Let's go with y'all. Y'all see the website right here. Let me scoot over a little bit. Y'all see the website is right here, bro. I may be over a little too much, but it's high. Y'all see the website right here, bro. I've been talking to y'all about this for a minute now. Go ahead and cop, bro. Christmas is on the way. I know you want you a free dude. Now, okay, let me chill. Not free, not free, not free. But you get a discount if you use code TEREN, T-E-R-E-N, when you purchasing, you feel me? They got hoodies right here if you want some hoodies. I'm gonna just go through the new arrivals, you feel me? Because they got every color that you want. They have new arrivals, bro. My phone finna die, but it's high. New arrivals, bro. Velvet do-rags, you feel me? They got anime do-rags, whatever you, bro, just take a look. Look at this. Dragon Ball Z, they got Kobe, they got SpongeBob, they got bonnets. Whatever you want inside out, they got bandana bonnets, you feel me? Iron Man, you feel me? Look at this, bro. They got bro, I know y'all like Fortnite, you feel me? Y'all be playing Fortnite with me, bro. I know y'all be carrying me. They got all this. They even got hoodies that protect your hair, bro. So this all I'm gonna show. This only 2 pages and it's multiple pages. Y'all see people's going even crazier right here. Make sure y'all go copy y'all do-rag, bonnet, hoodie, whatever you want to protect your hair, you feel me? They coming out with many more things. Use code TEREN, which is on the screen right now, to go get a discount, you feel me? I ain't gonna tax y'all too much. I'm just trying to help y'all out, you feel me? I'm about to cop me one soon. Comment down when you get one, you feel me? Let me know how y'all like it. I'm about to cop me one like I just said, but let's get straight back to this video.
2 hours later.
Bro, don't drink my drink, bro. Don't ever get no gas station at the gas station. Ooh. I had went to Mark's and Aldi's.
Well, Aldi card?
Yeah.
I thought you took your whip. I'm like, nigga.
Bro, no. No, bro. Alright, look, I just got back from the store and shit, you know what I'm saying? This is my brother right here, Storm. / Tyler, whatever y'all want to call him, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we do that.
What? Why, what happened?
Because I was drinking.
Oh. Bro, don't ever make Alright, y'all, we back, you know what I'm saying? I went to the store, that's why I got this, what I got under there? Hey, I'm taking this. How this fuck way?
That's funny.
But I'm with my brother, you know what I'm saying? I'm wearing red, he wearing blue. Y'all call him Storm, whatever y'all want to call him, so I'm about to put y'all on game.
Hold on, man. You can follow me on the gram at king.storm. The vibes are X's, you feel me?
So look, I'm about to show y'all this real quick, cause I'm about to show y'all this side. I'm gonna show y'all, bro, you know how I go, man. I'm about to show y'all this. One part right here, bro. And then we gonna do this half. Then I'm gonna show y'all this part right here. Then we gonna do this half, and then we gonna get up out of here. Y'all know how we rock, man. Y'all know how we go. So let's get straight into it. So look, my man's want square parts. Let me get my comb. All right, bro, don't have me, you know what I'm saying? First, I gotta part his hair. This is my first time ever parting hair, cause y'all know how I rock. I go natural with it. This is like down your head. Oh yeah, go ahead. Bro, I'm about to. Ace, get your fat neck.
Yeah.
Bro, he peeking through the door.
You making them thick ones?
Not really. It's like, it feel thick. It's not that thick. It's a good one. You want smaller?
No, I want the
That's cool. Hold on, I'm about to show you.
make it a little thicker.
So you want people to be asking about your hair and be like, who did it?
Yeah.
So it's gonna take way longer than 2 hours.
What you mean?
It may take like 2 hours or something.
Okay.
You want me to get your hairline in it, bro? Yeah.
Like, is it gonna like...
Nah, I ain't gonna pull your hairline, bro.
Don't have your hair looking ass.
But your hairline's like right with the hair, so.
Don't have my shit looking ass though.
Look, I'm gonna do the first one, and then you look in the mirror, and then you let me know.
Okay.
All right, so I got the part of hair right here, you feel me? Then, y'all know the Michael Jordan secret stuff right here.
Wait, hold on, do I
Oh yeah, put that on, bro, because I don't want to splash your face. I'm about to go in.
Bruh.
Bro, you ain't, bro, you put it on your neck, bro. I'm not gonna go like this. I'm about to start up here.
I thought you was about to spray it like at me though, so I was
No, I'm about to start from right here.
Like,
Oh my god. Look, throw it around. Yeah.
like you shit.
Yeah, you ass. You came unprepared. $5 extra, boy. I need some V-Bucks.
$5 extra.
So look, y'all spray the hair right here, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I ain't gonna spray too much, you know what I'm saying? That should be enough. Get all areas, you know what I'm saying? And spread it out through here. Make sure y'all put it on the scalp too. Now what you wanna do, very simple. Take this out.
Is it gonna look good?
Man, anything gonna do look good. Damn! Boy, you gonna lose a lot of hair, boy. Oh my god. Just like this. So what you want to do is take the hair, split it into 2 equal parts. If you feel like it's equal, wrap them around. Every time you wrap around, you pull it. Just like this.
Hey bro, fucking chipmunk.
Now look, the first part not going to look perfect, you know what I'm saying? I tell them that every time. Y'all know the first part never going to look perfect, but once you finish everything, because you know what I'm saying, you got hella hair around everything, so it's going to look weird, but wait till I finish the whole thing. Alright, so now y'all want to get y'all a rubber band or clips. He prefer rubber bands because his hair not going to stay. Take the rubber band, go around it until it basically fit the strands. I would say locks, but strands. And there go one. See how it's already laying down? Come on, man. Check it out. So this is one side right here. I'm going to show y'all when I finish this whole side. Then we're going to get back to show y'all this side. You feel me? So hopefully y'all did learn something. And I'm going to see y'all in like 30 minutes. We upstairs in my guy room. He on the K. Let's see if he get a bucket. Look, hold on. Clamps. 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 Oh my god. Oh! Doink. Oh my god.
Keep the camera on. Keep the camera on.
Alright, keep the camera on. Hold on.
Camera on, my nigga.
Catch him out. Catch him out. If you don't score, bro, you gotta delete the game, bro.
It's cap.
Green up! Strictly business, strictly business! Here go my guy here, you feel me? I'm trying to get it right. First I messed up. Y'all know this is my first time doing somebody's head, but you know what I'm saying? Got some of this down. I'm about to put oil on this after at the end. Hey, down here was Struggleville, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. But when I got up here, I got better, you feel me? I had to fix the parts up. So I'm about to do this side. I can't really show you how to do it because my stand right here, he on 2K and all that. So just review it at the beginning. It's the same thing, just on the other side. But I'm gonna see y'all when I finish the whole thing. Man, look at the results, you know what I'm saying? Here go the light, you feel me? Put them on game, yes. Now this is a total of freaking 7 hours of me trying to do this for the first time ever. So you get the brother discount. Usually I charge $500, so it's just $4.99.
$500?
Yeah, it's just $4.99.
You gonna ask for $4.99?
Yeah, man, so.
Bruh, we could just go skating, bruh.
Alright, bro, that's cool.